as we flew through all that on subtraction, we tend to focus a little bit more on addition because we can use addition to think through subtraction, right? That's kind of what we were doing with that last lesson when we knew how many went away and how many there were to start with. Well, then we can put those together. And when we put things together, we're adding, right? We could add those together to figure out how many we had all at the beginning. So we're on to the test now for today. Chapter 6, review test. So here, vocabulary, we're just, see this word subtract. You can see there were some to start with. This went away. How many are left? Count them up, write that number over here. Here we have a number sentence, just like you've done, 9 altogether. Here are these 3. How many are in the other set? Count that up, write it here. Make sure you trace the other things also. Down here, just like we had last time, right? We know that 2 go away. We know that there were 3 left after these 2 went away. Do you remember the last time we just drew the little circles to represent the puffins on their nests? So I need 3 of those over here that are left. After these 2 go away, then you can count up how many were there altogether. Write that down here. All right, over here we're filling in circles. So which number sentence does this represent? How many counters altogether? Then how many yellow ones? Down here, you're not needing to figure out which number sentence it represents. 8 altogether, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, minus 1. How many does that leave? Go ahead and color in the circle under that number. Just like we did the last time again, 3 go away, 4 are left. They kind of gave you the little shadow drawings there. And because this is a color in the bubble section, you don't need to actually trace this. So count it up. How many was it altogether before the 3 went away? And then color in the circle under the right answer. Here we go. How many altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It tells us that. It tells us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left. It wants to know how many went away. That's easy to see in the drawing, isn't it? Down here, do you see here? These are addition. They're kind of giving us a little review of the chapter we did before subtraction. So if we're thinking addition, how much is this? Plus, how much is this? And then what is the sum altogether? Color in the bubble for the correct number sentence. Now here's the same cubes, right? But we're looking at it a little differently. We're looking at how much is it altogether? Take these off, and how many are left? Which number sentence shows us that? This many altogether, this many we subtract, and this many are left. Last page, up here, you guys go ahead and make your own addition story with pictures, your own subtraction story with pictures.